The first time I met Dr. Dickson, she had just arrived in Kalamazoo, and she arrived like a whirlwind in Kalamazoo, right? She had the same vision. She knew that the answers to our healthcare problems were in the community.
So I have the pleasure of knowing Dr. Dickson on a number of levels. As a personal dear friend, as a colleague, we've done a lot of work and initiatives together within the medical field. And then she also is my link sister.
Oh, Cheryl is more than a friend. She's a sister, she's a colleague, she's everything. And most especially, she was my children's pediatrician. So anytime I had a question, I would reach out to her. So she's such a special person.
Our relationship means a lot to me. I cherish our work relationship, and I also cherish our personal relationship that we have with one another.
And interestingly, she applied to come here to WMed. She was in Georgia at the time. And we talked about Michigan, and I said, oh, Michigan is just wonderful. It's always sunny and 70 degrees. You can go to the lake. And then she came and it's winter. And she said, you promised me.
My dear friend, Dr. Dickson, brings like tears to my eyes. She is such a special person in my life. Had the great pleasure of working with her at WMed for the last several years, co-directing a class together, working with students who are, she's inspiring to be the next generation of physicians around this country who understand that empathy and equity are driving forces that we all have to get behind when improving healthcare. You know, we're all skin and bone and muscle, but I think Cheryl's all heart.
I guess if I had to narrow it down to one, and again, there are so many, but it would definitely be her having essentially back surgery. And seeing her go through that was absolutely amazing. It was extremely scary. It was scary for all of us. It was clear that she was afraid, but her resilience and determination were second to none. I mean, if there was ever any point where we seen her Black girl magic come through, it was during that period.
She was the one vulnerable at the time, but even when she was in her bed sick, she really engaged my boys so much. You know, she reached out to supporting Jaden. She was playing with them. Like, we had come to go visit and check on and make her feel better, but we left feeling so much better, and my boys were feeling so much better.
For me personally, she inspires me every time I'm with her. She shows up for students, she shows up for faculty, she's showing up for myself, my family. You know, the world is run by people who show up, and she's there every day. Another way that she has been really inspirational to me is, you know, this is a physician leader in our community who has also been burdened sometimes with institutional racism. And she just keeps walking. She just keeps moving and shaking and doing the things that are the best for this community. For all those reasons, she's an inspirational force in my life.
She has impacted many, many lives. You know, she's a pediatrician, she's an educator, and she's a community advocate.
So not only the community here, but going back to where she was, you know, in New Jersey for many years, in Atlanta, huge impact on the public health services, reducing disparities in healthcare. That's her passion for life. In Kalamazoo community, since she has arrived, she has done with great passion to improve the children's care and reduce healthcare disparities. And personally, I have learned, even one quality from her is to be persistent in spite of all the challenges within the systems that you might face, and keep your eye on the goal. So, Cheryl?
Oh my goodness, Dr. Dickson.
Dr. Cheryl Dickson.
My friend, Dr. Dickson.
Cheryl, I love you so much.
We've come a long way, and we're still here.
I absolutely adore you. I love you as my sister friend. I admire you as an amazing physician.
Cheryl, you deserve every bit of recognition.
You are a remarkable human. You care so much about others. You put the work in.
I thank you for all the things that you have taught me.
Your courage, your commitment to this community is second to none. And so you are so deserving, and I am so proud of you.
You have given your time, You have given your expertise, you have given your experience to this great community. We love you so much.
You have worked so hard impacting the lives of so many here in Kalamazoo, Southwest Michigan, and beyond.
You have just made your mark on the community, on many lives. And this is just an honor and privilege for me to congratulate you on this remarkable achievement.
Congratulations on your 2026 Lifetime Woman of Achievement Award.